Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our Excel tutorial topic is on calculate loan interest rate, duration, installment and payment and round. If we borrow from investor company or banks, we borrow some amount. So here Miss Sara actually Miss Sara he borrows 5,000 on dated 2019. He borrows 5,000 from the bank and rate is 4% of rate, means interest rate. Duration 3 months, and now we calculate the interest. So we delete it here. Okay, we borrow from the we write the formula here. Interest formula, actually multiply amount, multiply this amount, multiply rate, multiply and duration, right? Amount equal to amount multiply rate multiply duration. So we get the interest 600, interest of 5,000, right? So net total we drag it formula till last, or next total we get the total formula is equal to the Excel consider it is a formula x is equal to amount 5,000 and add 600, we add interest, we add and enter. So we get it we drag it to last for all rows. So 5,600 is total amount. And installment, how much installment? Because in 3 months or 3 year or 3 months we have to pay this amount. So we write here formula equal to this total amount divided by 3. So we get the first installment, means first installment is 1,867. So also we drag it till last for all rows. So here you are looking many applicant names, you are looking Mr. Sara, Subhash, Ahmed, Riaz, Amjad. These are this and on dated on their dates on which date they borrowed amount from the bank or in any other investment company anywhere. So we borrow and person in these. So 1,000 second installment, we also same formula is 2,000 amount divided by this 3 months. So we get the second installment, and third installment also amount divided by 3. So we get also the installment, third installment also. So and here first installment and first payment is this 1,867. How much pay? Sometimes the person pay less amount and next payment. So second payment is this one, second installment payment in here, and third installment this one, and payment is here. So we calculate the total amount. So its formula is equal to, very easy addition formula, it is same. The first payment, add here, click here, first payment, then add second payment, add, and third payment, enter. This we get this formula. Also we drag it till last for all rows, we get it for all applicants. So we formula and rounded formula, actually it is 5,601. Actually when we calculate in the Excel, so it value is comes in the decimals. So I didn't show here, I'm not showing here decimal values. So I removed from the this formation setting, so I removed the decimals. So 5,601 it is. So how we round it? This round formula is here rounded by right here rounded it by 10. So nearest to 10. So we write here formula equal to round, ROU, round, bracket open, which value you want to round, you write here, click here, and comma, after comma -1. Next class we will study all how to round nearest to 10 nearest to 100 and nearest to 1000 listed next class. So now it's 5600 it is. So drag it till last. It is now we completed. Save it this file. So we complete our this tutorial. We completed. Next class we will study round figures. We study. Thank you. Goodbye.